Friends, welcome to Abhivakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode, we will see the questions that were appeared in the SBI PO pre-examination 2016. This is the part 1. And here is the first question. The cost price of item B is rupees 150 more than the cost price of item A. Item A was sold at a profit of 10% and item B was sold at a loss of 20% if the respective ratio of selling price of item A and B is 11:12. What is the cost price of item B? Now here there are two items A and B. So let the cost price of item A be X, and therefore the cost price of item B will be X plus 150. Now the selling price X at A item is sold at a profit of 10%, and so the selling price will be 11x by 10, and this is sold at a loss of 20%, and therefore the selling price of item B will be 8x plus 1200 upon 10, and therefore by condition what is the condition? The respective ratio of selling price of item A and B is 11:12. So this is the selling price of item A, this is the selling price of item B, and therefore their ratio will be 11x upon 8x plus 1200. That is equal to 11 by 12, and this ratio is given as 11 by 12. This 11 and 11 will get cancelled, and it will be x upon 8x plus 1200, which is equal to 1 by 12. Cross multiply, so it will be 12x, which is equal to 8x plus 1200. Take 8x to the other side, so 12 minus 8, it will be 4x, so which is equal to 1200, and therefore x will be equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so it will be 300. So x is 300, and therefore the cost price of item B, that is equal to x plus 150, so which is equal to 300 plus 150, so that is equal to 450. So the cost price of item B, that is equal to rupees 450. The next question is, a vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 10:3. 26 liters of mix was taken out and replaced with 10 liters of water. If the resultant respective ratio of milk and water in the mixture is 5:2, what was the initial quantity of mixture in the vessel? Now here the given ratio of milk and water is 10:3. So first let the quantity of milk is 10x and the quantity of water is 3x. And here the 26 liters of mixture is removed or taken out. Then in 26 liters of mixture there will be a 20 liter of milk and 6 liter of water, because in 26 liters of mixture there will be total parts, it is 10 to 3, so total parts will be 13, and out of 13 parts 10 parts will be of milk and 3 parts will be of water. So 20 liters of milk will be there and 6 liters of water will be there. So the milk left will be 10x minus 20 and water left in the mixture will be 3x minus 6. But what happened here, in this mixture 10 liters of water is added. So the water will be 3x minus 6 plus 10. So the quantity of water in the mixture will be 3x plus 4. And therefore, by condition, the ratio of this milk to that of the water, that is 10x minus 20 to that of the water 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 is to 2. Solve this linear equation to get the value of x. So cross multiply, so it will be 20x minus 40, which is equal to 15x plus 20, and if you solve this you get x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 and the total quantity of mixture is 10x plus 3x, that is equal to 13x, and therefore the quantity of mixture, that is equal to 13x, that is 13 into 12, so which is equal to 156 liters. So the initial mixture was 156 liters. Now the another question is, there are 6 consecutive odd numbers. The difference between the square of the averages of the last 3 numbers and the first 3 numbers is 288. What is the last odd number? Let the odd numbers be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8 and x plus 10. And the average of the first 3 numbers will be x plus x plus x will be 3x plus 6 upon 3. So it will be 3x plus 6 upon 3. Take out 3 as a common factor, 3 will get cancelled and you will get it as x plus 2. And the average of last 3 numbers will be x plus x plus x, that is 3x plus 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 10, 24 upon 3. So take out 3 as a common factor, that 3 and this 3 will get cancelled and it will be x plus 8. Now these averages of first 3 numbers is x plus 2 and average of the last 3 numbers is x plus 8, and it is given that therefore by condition, what is the condition? That the square of the average of last 3 numbers and first 3 numbers, their difference is 288. So it will be x plus 8 square minus x plus 2 square, that is equal to 288. And so solving this bracket, we will get x square plus 64 plus 16x minus x square minus 4x minus 4, that is equal to 288. X square will get cancelled, plus 16 minus 4, that will be 12x, which is equal to 16 minus 4 will be 60. Take that 60 to the other side, so it will be 280 minus 60, so that will be 228. So x is equal to 228 divided by 12, so x is equal to 19. So we have got x is equal to 19, and therefore last odd number that is equal to x plus 10. So it is x plus 10, so that is 19 plus 10, and which is equal to 29, and therefore the last odd number is 29. The next question is, in a bag there are 6 red balls and 9 green balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that at least one of the balls drawn is red? Now here the total number of balls that is equal to 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Therefore the total number of outcomes that will be equal to 15C2, and favorable number of outcomes that is equal to 6C2 plus 9C2. How we get this? Please see the video on combinations. So here the probability of getting a red ball, which is equal to 6C2 plus 9C2 divided by the total number of outcomes, that is 15C2. So here 6C2, we solve this as 6 factorial upon 2 factorial into 6 minus 2 factorial, that is 4 factorial. So 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 2 into 4 factorial. This 4 factorial will get cancelled. 2 3s are 6, so it will be 5 3s are 15. Then 9C2, we solve it as 9 into 8. This first write as 9 factorial upon 2 factorial into 9 minus 2, that is 7 factorial. So which is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 factorial upon 2 into 7 factorial. This will get cancelled. 2 4s are 8 and 9 4s are 36. And the third, that is 15C2, that is equal to 15 factorial upon 2 factorial into 15 minus 2, that is 13 factorial. So that is equal to 15 into 13, 14 into 13 factorial upon 2 into 13 factorial. This 13 factorial will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So 15 into 7, 105. So here put the values. So which is equal to 15 plus 36 upon 105, and if you solve this further you will get 17 by 35. So the probability that at least one of the balls drawn be red is 17 by 34. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you must have enjoyed. If yes, please share it with your friends, like it and subscribe to the channel so that all details or updates you will get right into your mailbox. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.